Good morning dear students, welcome to the Maths online class. Students, in previous class we finished our second chapter, that one is the addition. Okay. Today we revise that the main topic of the addition, that one is addition concept and the properties. We learned that concept first, then terms, then the properties of the addition. Next, the different methods of the addition, that are the forward counting, on the number line and abacus. Okay. And lastly we find the what solve some examples on the adding of the two digit numbers with regrouping and the without regrouping, and lastly the story problems. Okay, these are the brief introduction about the what addition. And today we start the new chapter, that one is third one, subtraction. Okay, in subtraction also there is a concept and terms and the properties are there, and different types of the subtraction methods are there. So we continue with that subject. Okay, so see here, subtraction concept and the properties. We study first the concept and the properties. In the concept, see, the word the specifically implies or the represent the subtraction, that is how many more, how many left, how many more than, what is the difference, what are more needed. Okay, these are the terms that indicates that the problem is belongs to the what subtraction. This is the brief concept about the what subtraction. And the terms in the subtraction are called as, see, the first one is called as the minuend. What? Very good, minuend. And the second one is called as a subtrahend. And the answer we get from the subtraction, it is called as the difference. But in the addition we call the answer as a sum. Here the answer is very good, difference. So in the addition the terms are first addend, second addend, and the answer is sum. But here the first one is called as the minuend and second one is called as the subtrahend, and the answer we get from the subtraction operation is called as the what difference. Okay, so these are the terms of the subtraction. Then this one is minus sign is called as the subtraction sign. This is called as minus. How to write this one? And this one is it is the what subtraction sign. The next one is the important, that one is properties. In the addition, main properties are zero property, order property or as a commutative property, and the grouping property as a associative property. These are the main properties in the addition. We have to compare and solve the properties in the subtraction as well as the addition. Okay, so see here, the main property of the subtraction is here also zero property. But in addition, in any way we have to add, and the we have to add the addends. But here only in one way we have to subtract the what given minuend and the subtrahend to get the difference. So here the zero property is when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. Here we do not subtract number from 0 from a number and the number from a 0. Okay, in both cases we have to consider only one, that is 0 from a number. Okay, when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. For example, see here, take any number, we have to subtract 0. That means 0 is in the subtrahend, and the a number, given number, consider any number, that is the what minuend. Consider here 20. So when we subtract 0 from 20, the difference will be the number only, that is the same number only, given number only is the difference. So it is the what zero property. But in the addition formula we add or subtract from 0, but here 0 minus 20 is not equal to 20. Okay, it is wrong one. Only one method, one order will be applied here, that is any number, any 0 is when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the what number itself. The next one, second property. In addition we the second property is order property. But here see, if we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Okay, what's the second property? According to that statement we have to write the example for that. If we subtract a number, here consider a number, it is 248. It's a number. From itself only we have to subtract the number. That means 240 minus 248 minus 248 only. The difference will be 0. See, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And here also the same number will be subtracted from to that number. We get to the 0 as the difference. It is about second property. Then next one, in subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracted is important. Here order is very important. Order property is not we can apply here. Okay, in the subtraction we do not apply the order property. See here, in the addition 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2. In both cases we get the what? 3 only. But here 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. But 1 minus 2 is equal to not equal to 1. That is a minus 1. Okay. So here it's equal to 1, it's not equal to 1. So order property does not exist or does not apply to the what? Subtraction. So here the order is very important. See, 9 minus 3 and 3 minus 9 are not same. Here 9 minus 3 is equal to what? You know, 6, and 3 minus 9 is not equal to 6. So here order is very important. We have to consider the minuend is very important. Always minuend is greater than the subtrahend. See here, 9 is greater than 3. Here in case 3 is smaller than 9. In this case we do not apply the what? Subtraction operation. So here 9 minus 3 is a correct one. So here order is very important. Okay. This is about the what? Concept terms and the properties of the subtraction. In next class we discuss some more methods of the